So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. Another beautiful day here in western Pennsylvania. The sun is shining, absolutely gorgeous. It's not real warm, but I'll take it. So we're down here on my mom's driveway right now. I had to stop down here earlier, and we were talking about maybe getting some stone for a driveway. Now, just this past fall, maybe late summer, this all had a beautiful coating of fresh stone on it, but as you can see, it's no longer here. Well, actually it's here. It just sinks down in, and anyone that has a gravel driveway is familiar with that, and they're also familiar with potholes. Here's a big one right here. You can see what happens here with the pothole. You get a low spot, it collects water, and as cars drive through it, what it does, it kind of throws that material out, which you can see there's a little hump on this side, there's a hump on that side. So overall, that's probably a 4-inch hole right there. So we're going to take care of this. We're going to try to make this pothole disappear, and we're going to make all the stone that's sunk down in this driveway reappear. I'm going to be using the LX3310 in a 6-foot land plane. Now this is a pretty big land plane. Normally I run this on the MX5400. I just wanted to see how it would do on the LX. Now I did use this the other day on my own driveway, but the difference is I didn't use the rippers. Today we're going to use the rippers because you need that to get these potholes fixed up. You don't want to just fill these in with stone, because with any amount of traffic at all, it's going to look just like it did in a week or two. You need to get in there and kind of rip the sides all out, regrade all around it to get this thing to go away. So let's fire up the tractor and get started. We'll concentrate on this area right here, just kind of back and forth a few times. Like I said, get these edges all busted up, and we'll see how it goes. After we get this one done, we'll start working the whole driveway. All right, so I've got the one side broke up real nice. That land plane works really good with the rippers. Normally, like I said, I don't even need them, but I wanted to get at least a few inches deep to try to bring that stone back to the top. And I think we about got rid of this pothole here. After a few more passes, it should be good to go. So next up, I'm gonna work this side and probably 2 or 3 passes, and then we'll raise those rippers back up and put like the finish on it. But more importantly, we've got a visitor. What are you doing, Melissa?
You know, just helping out however I can.
Checking up on me, aren't
yeah,
you?
This is good. It went from a puddle to a solid fill. That's
a lot of people are bragging about all the snow they're getting. I'm pretty happy with what we have.
No snow. We had a really weak winter. I don't know. March isn't over yet, so.
Nah, it's done. I'm calling it over.
You think?
It is.
You don't know that.
Grass is going to get green soon. We're going to be cutting grass soon.
Yeah, well, I can pray for snow, so we'll see what happens.
Well, I'm going to keep working on this. Probably another half hour or so. I'll have it about done.
That's incredible. Good job.
Yeah. No, that does all the work. That's one thing nice about a land plane.
Yeah.
They're honestly pretty much idiot proof. You get it set flat on the ground. When you need the rippers, lower them down. When you don't, lift them up and just drive. And it'll really do a nice job when it's done. All right, right now, driveway looks a little torn up. I've got some windrows here and there, a bunch of loose material, but that's exactly what I want, because right now, I'm gonna lift these rippers up and we'll just use the 2 blades and shape everything. You can see how far I have the ripper set. All right, I got all the rippers lifted all the way up. Now we're just gonna make some passes. I'm gonna kind of focus on pulling a little material to the center, you know, just a little bit of a crown in the center of this driveway. It's real flat down here. The best thing I could do would be try to get everything to slope towards the stream, but I don't have enough material to do that right now. We don't have like erosion trouble down here. We just have potholes and stone sinking down here. So I think if I put just a little bit of a crown to it, it should be good. I'll tell you, the LX3310 handles that land plane very, very well. Especially considering I was running those rippers about 3 or 4 inches deep. You know, it's one thing just dragging the blades across the ground, but those rippers, how many is there? There's 6 of them, right? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pulls it really well. Well, that shaped up pretty good. I was able to make the potholes go away by ripping them out with the rippers on the land plane. Then I tore up the entire driveway just a couple inches to get some loose material and bring that stone back up to the top. But yeah, it worked out pretty good. Sure would be nice to have a roller. At some point, maybe I'll get one, we'll see, just for the, like one for the skid loader maybe. Be nice to have an old smooth drum though. I keep looking, but I haven't found anything very reasonable yet. But anyway, I think that's it for today's video. I appreciate y'all being here, and I will catch you on the next one.